Choosing the right paddle racket can feel overwhelming, especially when you're trying to balance comfort, power, and control on the court. Many players struggle with finding a racket that not only complements their playing style, but also helps reduce fatigue during long matches. In this video, we'll explore the best paddle rackets available this year, giving you clear insights to help you select the one that fits your needs. Our review takes into account factors like weight distribution, grip comfort, durability, control, power, and overall value for different skill levels. Stay with us as we guide you through the top choices so you can step onto the court with confidence and enjoy every rally to the fullest. Number 8 in my list is Nox at 10 Genius Attack Paddle Racket. The Nox at 10 Genius Attack Paddle Racket is engineered for aggressive players who prioritize power, precision, and responsiveness in every rally. Featuring a robust aluminum surface reinforced with carbon elements, it delivers explosive ball speed while preserving stability for controlled shot making. Its dense EVA core produces a lively rebound, yet remains forgiving on volleys and hard drives, reducing arm strain during intense play. Crafted in an elongated diamond shape, the 810 Genius Attack positions its sweet spot high, ideal for delivering thunderous serves and deep ground strokes. The optimized hole pattern enhances airflow, enabling fast, clean swings and improving timing during fast exchanges. Despite its focus on power, the racket retains excellent maneuverability thanks to well-distributed weight and a balanced feel that maintains control when defending or transitioning quickly. Weighing in the moderate range, typically between 360 and 375 grams, the racket offers a satisfying presence without hampering agility. Its grip is thoughtfully covered in tacky, sweat-wicking material to maintain a secure hold through heated points and long matches. The minimalist, elegant finish highlights its performance heritage and plays up its aggressive aesthetic. Number 7 in my list is Head Extreme Paddle Racket. The Head Extreme Paddle Racket is a standout choice for players seeking a powerful, spin-friendly experience without sacrificing control or comfort. Its teardrop shape is complemented by a dense carbon fiber surface, which delivers crisp, hard-hitting responsiveness. Perfect for explosive smashes and decisive, spin-rich shots. Internally, the racket features a medium-density EVA core that provides excellent shock absorption and a lively, energetic feel on contact. One of the racket's most striking features is its spin-oriented surface texture, designed to grip the ball more effectively and enhance twist and rotation. This works in harmony with a strategically engineered hole pattern that reduces wind resistance and enables swift, controlled swings, ideal for both aggressive drives and adaptive defensive play. The sweet spot, situated slightly higher in the head, boosts reach and power while helping manage volleys and defensive lobs. Weighing between 360 and 370 grams, the racket balances agility with feel, offering a stable platform during high-stakes rallies while still allowing quick wrist movements. Its grip is wrapped in tacky, moisture-wicking material, ensuring secure handling even during intense, sweat-heavy moments. The design is bold and modern, with a sleek matte finish and striking accents that reflect its performance-focused nature. Number 6 in my list is Nox Equation Lightweight Advanced Series Paddle Racket. The Nox Equation Lightweight Advanced Series racket brings a sophisticated blend of agility, precision, and comfort tailored for players who value swift court coverage and responsive handling. Designed with advanced carbon fiber construction, its lightweight frame accelerates swings effortlessly, ideal for reactive play and quick transitions between offense and defense. Despite its featherweight build, the frame maintains structural integrity, enabling hard strikes without sacrificing control. Inside, a medium-density EVA core offers a delicate balance. It absorbs shock for a forgiving feel, while delivering enough rebound to drive the ball with decisive impact. The lightweight design improves user endurance, keeping the racket nimble throughout extended rallies. The teardrop-shaped head widens the sweet spot toward the top, enhancing power without compromising finesse. Its hole matrix is laid out to reduce drag and increase swing speed, helping players maneuver swiftly during fast exchanges and allowing more explosive volleys and touches. Handling is enhanced by a grip wrapped in tacky, sweat-wicking material that ensures secure contact during heated matches. Weighing around 350 to 360 grams, the racket feels lively in hand and promotes dynamic shot execution. Visually appealing with a sleek matte finish and modern yet understated aesthetic, it delivers both elegance and function. Altogether, the Knox Equation Lightweight Advanced Series racket is an exceptional choice for players seeking a high-performance, lightweight tool that supports speed, precision, and comfort on the paddle court. Number 5 in my list is Ianoni Carbon Fiber Surface Paddle Racket. The Ianoni Carbon Fiber Surface Paddle Racket excels in offering a harmonious balance of power, precision, and comfort, ideal for both recreational players and developing competitors. It features a high-quality carbon fiber face that delivers crisp response and acceleration on aggressive shots while preserving touchful control during delicate volleys. Nestled within is a medium-density EVA core that cushions impact, significantly reducing vibration and promoting comfort even during prolonged rallies. Its teardrop silhouette blends the reach of diamond shapes with the forgiving nature of round frames, creating a versatile racket that swings with finesse, yet strikes with authority. The evenly distributed hole pattern optimizes airflow, trimming down swing resistance and enabling faster, more controlled strokes. This design helps maintain stability during rapid exchanges at the net and enhances power behind ground strokes. Weighing between 365 and 375 grams, the racket achieves a sturdy yet nimble feel, allowing quick maneuverability without sacrificing mass for knockup power. The grip is thoughtfully wrapped in sweat-resistant, tacky material to ensure confident handling through warm matches. A clean matte finish with minimalist graphics gives the racket a sleek professional look that matches its all-around performance. Overall, the Ianoni Carbon Fiber Surface Paddle Racket delivers a refined package of responsiveness, comfort, and adaptability. It's an excellent choice for players seeking an upgrade in feel and control without compromising versatility or design. Number 4 in my list is Knox Paddle Racket. Knox paddle rackets are crafted with a focus on performance, innovation, and adaptability, appealing to players across all levels, from recreational competitors to seasoned professionals. Built from quality materials such as aluminized 18K and lighter 12K carbon, these rackets offer a refined blend of stiffness, comfort, and reliable performance even in varying temperature conditions. Many models feature a multi-layer EVA core, such as MLD Black EVA or EV50, that offers a responsive yet forgiving feel, combining enhanced ball rebound with shock absorption. Several Knox rackets incorporate advanced technologies that elevate gameplay. The EOS flap system, lateral perforations near the frame's base, improves aerodynamics and balance, aiding swift, controlled swings. The Smart Strap replaceable safety cord adds customizable convenience without compromising warranty. Additionally, many rackets include the Pulse system, which integrates elastomer bands into the frame to dampen vibrations and reduce strain on the arm during non-central hits. Playstyles are well served with Knox's versatile range. Players seeking precision can opt for models with round frames and control-focused balance, while those favoring power may choose teardrop or diamond shapes optimized for low-balance aggressive shots. The brand also appeals visually, with elegant finishes and the option for lightweight ultralight models ideal for juniors or those managing arm sensitivity. Overall, Knox rackets are a fusion of technology, comfort, and versatility, designed to elevate your paddle performance on every rally. Number 3 in my list is Franklin Sports Aurora Paddle Racket. The Franklin Sports Aurora Paddle Racket is a standout blend of durability, comfort, and accessible performance, making it ideal for recreational players and those new to the game. Featuring a composite surface, reinforced with fiberglass, the racket delivers a pleasantly responsive feel, striking a harmonious balance between power and touch. At its core, a medium-density EVA foam offers a forgiving yet supportive response, reducing arm fatigue and assisting in controlled placement during extended rallies. With a mid-sized teardrop shape, the Aurora offers a balanced sweet spot that supports both offensive and defensive shots. It provides enough weight toward the edge to aid powerful serves and smashes while remaining manageable during quick volleys. A pattern of approximately 60 evenly placed holes minimizes air resistance, ensuring smooth swings and rapid recovery, perfect for dynamic play. Weighing around 355 grams, this racket stays agile yet sturdy enough to deliver dependable shot impact. The grip is comfortably swaddled in cushioned, sweat-resistant material, offering secure handling even during fast-paced or warm conditions. Its aesthetic features a sleek matte finish with subtle accents that convey an understated sporty vibe. Overall, the Franklin Sports Aurora Rainbow Padel Racket is a dependable, user-friendly option that delivers a strong combination of comfort, control, and feel, ideal for players seeking versatile performance without overwhelming complexity. Number 2 in my list is Grand Cow Carbon Fiber Surface Padel Racket. The Grand Cow Carbon Fiber Surface Padel Racket blends sophisticated design with player-friendly performance, catering to both recreational enthusiasts and aspiring competitors. Featuring a sturdy carbon fiber surface, this racket delivers impressive hit responsiveness and power, enabling quick, confident strikes while maintaining precise control over the ball. At its core, high-density EVA foam offers a plush yet supportive feel, effectively absorbing vibrations and allowing extended play without wrist or arm fatigue. This racket stands out with its meticulously planned hole pattern, approximately 64 holes arranged in a balanced, symmetrical layout. This design optimizes airflow, reduces swing resistance, and helps players maintain rhythm and control during fast rallies. The teardrop-shaped head offers a balanced sweet spot that enhances both offensive and defensive strokes. It provides extra reach for powerful serves and expansive coverage for defensive volleys. Weighing between 360 and 370 grams, the Grand Cow stays nimble enough for agile maneuvering, yet substantial enough to lend stability and knock-up feel. The grip is thoughtfully wrapped in anti-slip material, offering a secure hold even when hands get warm. Visually minimalist, its sleek matte finish and understated branding deliver a clean, professional look that complements its performance-based design. Overall, the Grand Cow Carbon Fiber Surface Padel Racket offers a satisfying combination of power, control, and comfort, making it an excellent all-around choice for players seeking versatility without sacrificing feel or maneuverability. Number 1 in my list is WLSRW Carbon Fiber Surface Padel Racket. The WLSRW Carbon Fiber Surface Padel Racket strikes a remarkable balance between power, control, and comfort, making it a versatile option for players at beginner to intermediate levels. Its carbon fiber surface delivers rapid response during fast-paced rallies, allowing players to strike hard without sacrificing precision. Inside, an EVA memory flex foam core absorbs vibration and supports extended play with a gentle touch, minimizing fatigue during long sessions. A standout feature is the racket's innovative hole design. 62 strategically placed holes help reduce air resistance and enable quicker, more controlled swings. The symmetrical hole layout ensures consistent performance with each shot, while the round head shape maintains a harmonious balance between offensive power and defensive stability. With a slightly elongated form factor, the racket provides extra leverage on serves and lengthens reach, a helpful advantage when tracking down low or wide balls. Despite its high-quality materials and thoughtful design, the racket remains accessible in weight, typically around 360 to 370 grams, offering agility without overwhelming newcomers. The 4-inch grip size offers comfortable handling for most adult players. Overall, this racket delivers responsive power, comfortable feel, and user-friendly design, making it an excellent choice for paddle enthusiasts looking to refine their game without compromising versatility. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.